So this multimeter, I have the red cord and the black cord connected, and it's not plugged into the wall or anything like that. It's reading the voltage. It's not touching anything except the air, and there's a little bit of a charge. So I'm gonna lay this down, and you can still read it there on the screen. I'll scoot it up just a little bit, and then you can read it. What I'm going to do is touch the black wire to the bed, and then I am going to also touch, I'll move this up so you can see it a little bit, touch it to the bed, and then I am also going to touch my finger on this one, and the voltage will go up pretty high. Okay, so I am not grounding right now at all. I'm standing on something that's polyester, and nothing is grounding me. This isn't grounding me here. But watch what happens when I touch this sheet. Down, it's gonna drop down to 0. So my voltage went back down to 0. I pick it back up, and it knows the voltage of my body based off of it's touching the prong, the orange prong. Okay, and then I'm going to touch it again. There we go, pretty high, 0.738. It varies a little bit, and touch it again, down to 0. I gotta keep it right on the silver. There we go, down the voltage drops. So this multimeter is just testing how my body stays grounded all night long with none of that extra charge, that extra voltage. So I'm going to show you again what this looks like on my multimeter. I'm going to hold down the black, and I'm holding the prong of the orange. And am I grounding? Yes, I am, because I'm on the sheet. So you can see that my voltage is at 0 currently, but if I were to get off of the sheet and sit on something that's polyester, it would probably go up quite a bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab this blanket. I'm gonna put it on top of the grounding sheet. I don't know, it might transfer a little bit, but it might not. So we'll see. Oh yeah. Okay, so my voltage is not as high as it was earlier, but it definitely went up to 0.178 since I'm on the polyester blanket. So what you can do is you can put a cotton blanket on top, or linen on top of the grounding sheet, and it'll still transfer. But if you have polyester sheets and you put those on top of the grounding sheet, it won't work as well. You can also just lay right on top of this grounding sheet. But this grounding sheet from Groundingtime lasts for 6 times longer than the industry standard, so over 100 washes. So I recommend these. I've enjoyed them so far. They're really soft and comfortable. You don't feel the wires while you're sleeping, and overall they just seem to be a pretty good idea.